Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel friends. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to enable auto screen in a Technophone. Friends, you want to enable your auto screen. So how can you enable your auto screen setting in your Technophone? In this video friends I am going to show you, and guys I will also tell you guys how can you use it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel, so friends, first of all friends, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon. So friends, time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting in your Technophone and scroll. Friends, you can see your display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here and again scroll. Auto screen guys, you can see. So as we will enable from this right side. So guys, our auto screen will enable. And guys, how can you use? So example for guys, you are using any Play Store, any app. So example for guys, we will click on Play Store app. And guys, you can see guys, you want to guys, when you guys you will move your phone like that, so it will rotate. So like that guys, you can use guys your auto screen. You can see friends. So I hope friends you have understood how to enable auto screen in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.